Have neck pain after work marathon in the office? Introducing NECKAIR. It's the perfect TENS Plus EMS combination unit muscle stimulator. Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation relieves your neck pain. And electrical muscle stimulation strengthens your neck muscle. It can also be heated up to releases your neck tension and reduce swelling. The heating level is adjustable on a scale from 1 to 10. Works on all different situations. Electrical muscle stimulation improves microcirculatory blood flow and metabolic waste excretion. It helps with joint relaxation and decrease joint stiffness. One device, two functions, great versatility. Verified by trusted certificate authorities, NECKAIR is safe, non-invasive, no adverse side effects, and it's easy to use. Wear it on the neck and hit the start button. Use the remote control to set level. Top-grade medical silicone provides smooth texture and silky touch. Remain clean by protecting it from smudges, and it's portable. NECKAIR, the ultimate small and portable TENS Plus.
The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right, it literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil. But it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasona is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasona in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasona brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasona cleans fast and deep. Ultrasona is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasona into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria. and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasona. Simple presettings for jewelry, dishes, clothing, and food means you can plug and clean with a simple touch in seconds. Designed as a travel-friendly cleaner, Ultrasona is compact and lightweight enough for a day trip or extended vacation.